upholding the principles of pragmatic innovation, scientific management, and sustainable development. Modern standardized workshops ensure efficient production. High-quality polypropylene granules fed into the production system. Raw materials are melted and extruded to form pellets. Real-time temperature and pressure control ensures process stability. Precisely controlled extruder delivers a stable molten flow. Molten stream passes spinneries, cools, and is drawn into filaments. Multiple filaments drawn simultaneously for enhanced strength and toughness. High-speed winding forms primary fiber rolls. Tensile strength testing ensures stable product performance. Finished fiber rolls are collected for the cutting stage. Fibers are precisely cut to required lengths for various applications. Fibers are bagged and sealed for moisture and dust protection. Finished bags are neatly stacked, awaiting inspection and warehousing. Automatic sewing machines enhance packaging efficiency. Palletized packages are securely wrapped for easy loading and transport. Forklifts loaded finished goods, ready to ship worldwide.